We are to simplify this expression right here on the board. Now, if you want to simplify this correctly, don't ever try to find the LCM here in the denominator because you will get stuck somewhere. Now, watch this out. I'm going to generate a pattern here. If you observe carefully, you notice that these numbers are complex numbers, which can also be expressed in terms of their multiples. But in that case, you are going to express each of these numbers by their multiples. Now, I'm going to have here 1 divided by 30 can also be expressed as 5 times 6 plus 1 divided by 42 can also be expressed as 6 times 7 plus 1 divided by 56 can also be expressed as 7 times 8 plus 172 can also be expressed as 8 times 9. Then again, if you look at this expression carefully, you also notice that the numerator can also be expressed as the difference of these numbers in the denominator. But in that case, you are going to have here 6 minus 5, that will give us 1 divided by 5 times 6 plus 7 minus 6 divided by 6 times 7, then plus 8 minus 7 multiplied by 7 times 8 plus 9 minus 8 multiplied by 8 times 9. Then here, this can also be expressed in terms of this. We're going to have a 6 divided by 5 times 6 minus 5 divided by 5 times 6. Now, this entails you that you can only subtract the numerator when the denominators have the same value. Here, now here, 6 will eliminate 6 here, and we have 5 over 1 over 5 minus here 5 will eliminate 5 here, and we have 1 over 6. Then as such, we are going to express each of these terms in form of this. In that case here, we are going to have here 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 6 plus here we are going to have 1 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 7, and here we have 1 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 8 plus here we have 1 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 9. Now, if you look at this carefully, you observe that here minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 6 will be eliminated. And again, minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 will be eliminated as well. And here the same, minus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 will be eliminated. And we left with 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 9. Then here now, you simplify this further. Either you use either LCM method or whatsoever. You're going to have here that LCM of this will give us 45. Then 5 into 45, that will give us 9. And 9 into here, that will give us 5. Therefore, we have here 9 minus 5, that will give us 4 divided by 45. And this is a simplified form of this expression here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.